Okay guys, welcome back to another Scrappin' Irish video. And what have I got for you for this time? Well, something totally different. The last video I done was my shed. So I ordered some stuff off Temu. Well, one of the reasons I ordered off Temu was I got this off Temu and a lot of people were asking me about it on, they've seen it in one of the videos and where did I get it and stuff like that. And so I ordered more stuff from Temu, which I'm going to use in my shed. If I can open this now, just have to get it the right side. There we go. So a very handy tool kit that has all the little bits that I need for taking stuff apart, and it also comes in that it just rolls up like this and doesn't take up much storage space and stuff like that. So I said that was actually a good buy from Temu. So I'll buy some more stuff from Temu, stuff I can use in the shed, and a few other bits and pieces I wanted for other things. So this is more like an unveiling of some Temu stuff. So now, first off, package sounds like there's something broken inside, so we'll know in a few minutes. Again, they fitted a lot into a small package, which Temu like to do. Again, not endorsed by Temu or anything like that. This is just stuff I bought myself. Could have done with a better knife that isn't gone rusty. As you can see, I left that outside and it's all rusty. So have a look and see what we got in here. So this is stuff I wanted for the shed. Some stuff I wanted for the shed, some stuff for the garden, stuff like that. Stuff that, if it doesn't work out, it hasn't broke the bank, and if it does work out, well, then it's a win-win. So people are probably saying, be careful with the knife, you'll cut yourself. No, I won't. That knife is about as sharp now as a stick. So first off, the first thing I ordered was a mat. Now the mat I wanted was just so I could put that down on my work area or down on the floor where I'll be standing in the work area, and then the mat can be taken off and just cleaned. So first off, what's it like? Yeah, just a mat. So not really much can go wrong with that. It'll last a certain length of time, and then can be put under something when I'm banging down to protect the work area. So there we go. That's the first item I got. Now, it's been a while since I ordered this stuff, so I don't even know what's in here. So we'll have a look in here. So this is a surprise to me and a surprise to you. Oh yes, it was another tool kit I ordered, and can never have enough small screwdrivers and stuff like that. So again, we'll have a look at this kit, because so for taking phones and stuff like that apart, you have all your little spacers for pulling them apart, all your different type of size heads, your T's, your straights, your PZs, stuff like that. Oh, dropped something, but don't worry about it. It's only a bit of a thing I wasn't going to be using. And on the other side, what have we in here? Our little screwdrivers. We have some sort of card. I don't know what this is meant to be used for. Mobile phone repair tool, screw memory mat. Okay, so it's a mat that you put down on your where you're working, and that way that you can remember where parts go back and stuff like that. So I suppose if you were taking phones apart to put them back together, yes, you use that. So you have a little suction cap for taking off the screens. Again, we have some more small fittings with small screwdriver. Little tool, I don't know what they're for. They're in the other set as well. So again, can never have enough of these small little screwdrivers and stuff like that. So again, not much can go wrong with that coming. Now, not a clue what's in this package, because again, as I said, it's been so long since I ordered this, because usually they come within 10 days, but this was actually nearly 3 weeks. Oh yes, I know what this is. Allen keys. Coloured Allen keys or stuff like that. So again, straightforward. The reason I ordered them, I need a new set of Allen keys. So I said order the set, put them in the shed when it's done, and hopefully be able to find them when I want to find them. Right, what else? Something small. Again, not a clue what I ordered. I know what should be in here. There's some stuff I know I ordered and it should be in that box. But in these small boxes, again, I cannot remember what they are. Okay, it's wrapped. This is like a surprise for me. Oh yes, I know what these are. So again, this is going to be used in my gold recovery part, and they're magnetic stirrers. So again, different size magnetic stirrers, acid resistant, meant to be. We'll know when they go into the acid. Again, with Temu, you can never be 100% sure, but so far so good with anything I bought off Temu. I cannot complain. And again, not endorsed by Temu. Don't get anything free from Temu. And it's just, I buy some stuff, and this is not a Temu reveal channel. This is stuff I use that I'm going to be using going forward. So again, magnetic stirrers, if anyone isn't familiar with them, they go into your, if you have a magnetic stirrer, they go into the liquid, and then they will turn and rotate and inside, and that way then, and they are magnetic, so at least we know that much, and that way then it'll rotate whatever you're trying to dissolve, and it hopefully does it a bit quicker for you. So again, something I will use, hopefully. Okay, what's next in here? People are saying, what did he buy? Okay, well, we'll go to this. Oh yes, I bought a little Bluetooth speaker. Again, a little one that I can have, I don't know what it's going to be like sound wise, but and again, I can't play anything really out on it because at the moment, because I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I don't want to play any music, but I'll let you know what it was like. So a little Bluetooth speaker, not very big, comes with its little charger and comes with a little thing to hang it up. So again, might be okay. I said just a little speaker to have. That was for nothing really, just I seen it there and I said I'd get the speaker. Okay, what's in here? It's either this box, I don't think it's this box actually, I know what's in that box too, but this is the one I want to show, I think. Okay, so this might interest Ian Matthews, because we know he has a fetish about lights. So I needed lights for the shed, and I've seen these, and I don't know what they're like. Now again, comes with an Edison screw, where over here most are bayonet fittings in Ireland, so I just need to get a Edison screw fittings that I've ordered for the shed, so these will screw up into it. And what have we got? Well, let me take it out and show you. And the reason I know how this comes apart is I got one already and I ordered a second one. So this is the second one from them. And I hope that this will, yes. So what is it? It's a light. So it's a light that can be turned, angled, can't go diagonally, which is a pity, couldn't turn that way, because if they did, that'd be brilliant. But it's a light, so I think there should be good light off this. So 5,000 looms, it says, is the light off it. So that should be good and bright for in the shed. So I've got, I think it's 2 or 3 of them for the shed. So that should give me good light when I'm taking stuff apart. And the good thing is, it, as I said, it can angle it down, it can fold back up that way. So you can angle it like this. So you can have these pointing like that. So as you can see, it seems to be, and then when you're not using it, you can fold in like this on top of each other. If you want to, during the summer months when there might be, well, I won't have much light in there because I haven't put roof lights in. And then it'll just fold down like this. And that is it. So as you can see, it is nice and compact. Doesn't take up much room. So I've ordered 3 of them, I think, in total. So this is the second one. And hopefully that will give me some good light. Now, what else have we got in there? I'll come back to that box in a minute. Oh yes, I know what's in here now. Well, actually, I don't know what's in the package, so we'll go with the package. It's got an energy rating of F, so not the most efficient, but 2 kilowatts for 1,000 hours. So per 1,000 hours, so 2 kilowatts 1,000 hour. What the hell is it? Oh yes, I do know now what this is. I ordered some rope lighting, just some rope lighting to put into the shed, so I can put a little bit of rope lighting in there if I want. So again, we'll test that out at some stage. You know, I like my little lights, my chair lights up, stuff like that. So I have a fetish of coloured lights. Matthew has a fetish of LED lights in general. So that's what came there, okay. Oh yes, I know what this is as well. This is a holder that I want to put on the outside of the shed so that I can wrap my garden hose and stuff like that on the side of the shed. So when I want the garden hose and stuff, it's outside wrapped up. I don't need to be going inside and taking up room inside the shed. So again, I might get a few more of these that I can put more stuff on the outside of the shed. We'll see how this fares up during with the sun. Not that we get much sun in Ireland. See, will it get very brittle, because you know yourself, some plastics in sun can get very brittle and break. So again, that's what I heard shaking around. I thought there was something broken when I picked up the package. So that's what I heard breaking around. Now, what have I here? So, a little angle bits. So, you know yourself, for getting into angles where there's need to get in at a different angle. I got two of these in total, so this is one of them. So it'll go a bit of an angle, not a full angle, but enough to get into tight areas. And there should be, hopefully, another one of them somewhere. Because I did order two. There we go. And this one is one that is a better angle. If I can open it, here we go. So again, it has a 90-degree angle on it nearly, not quite 90 degrees, but enough if you're trying to drill in around an area that is a bit awkward for your drill to fit in. So again, handy, two little handy items. What is in here? Oh yes, I do know what's in here. This is a little hammer. Just for Ian Matthews. Look at that, Ian. You love this one, wouldn't you? So a little rubber hammer. So if I'm putting something in, I don't want to mark it. And then a glass, again, that's what they call for people who use. You see these being used by glaziers, mainly when they're glazing windows, stuff like that, so they can take a little tap. So again, I have a purpose for that. It's for when I get to a bit more of the inside of the shed, where I'll be doing putting timber in. I want to tap it into place. I don't want to put big dents on it and damage it. So that's what that's going to be used for. Anything else in here? Oh yeah, it's something else. Again, not a clue what's inside this package. Oh yeah, this was a mistake buy. Didn't mean to buy it, bought it, and then realised it was too small. So no good to me. But anyhow, it's here now and I have it. So this I thought it was going to be bigger. And of course, when I had paid for an order, I read the small print and seen the size, and I go, oh, well, that's going to be useless. So I thought it was going to come out to about here and out to about here for doing 90-degree angles on timber that I need to cut for making the bench and stuff like that. So essentially useless. So no good to me. So maybe if one of my subscribers would like this, if you would like this, drop me an email and I can maybe post it out to you. But again, I've only got one, and first come, first served, as they say. So maybe if you have watched the video all the way through, as far as here, and you want that, let me know. If not, I'll use it at some stage. Can't blame you if you don't want it. Anything else in there? No, what's that out of? That was out of the little thing. Yes. Okay, nothing else there. Okay, and then the last box was more for the garden, not actually for my shed at all. I just seen these and said, oh, they look nice in the garden. Maybe. So, little lights. So, again, you see these in a lot of shops nowadays. They're not overly dear. I'm not even sure what colour this one is. It probably won't light up because there's no power in it, probably. It hasn't charged up. There might be enough light. There we go. Look at that. Changes colours. So that goes in there. Now it turns off because I don't have it covered. So it's only to come on when it gets dark at night. And then it'll come on like that. And we'll have all different colours. So there we go, guys. That's my Temu order that just arrived. Oh, I'll turn that off. We don't want to waste the complete bit of battery yet until later on this summer, until I get my garden done. And these can go out in the back garden and light it up at night. I'll give you a look at that sometime when it's all lit up, just to show you how it turned out. So yes, that's my Temu order. So again, some stuff that I will use, definitely use these small kits. Definitely going to be using them stirrers. The Allen keys, of course, will be used at some stage. Probably in 3 months' time, they won't be in that state, they won't be in that case, and there'll be half of them missing. But there we go. Bought them anyhow. I will definitely be using them. That they can give me that little bit more of an angle that I can get around a tighter area. Again, same with this one, which is nearly at 90 degrees, but not quite 90 degrees. Again, now the bearings don't sound great on it, so I don't know how long it'll last. But we'll see. From Temu, you can't go wrong. The little hammer. So proud of that little hammer. I bet you're proud of that, Ian. The speaker, I'll use that at some stage. Definitely the lights, if they work. Again, I haven't tested them, waiting for the actual Edison screw batten holders to come. Once they come, I'll connect it up and we'll see if they work. And if they do, give me good light in the shed. There we go. So I'll let you know, guys, what they're like. And again, this bit of lighting, stuff like this, ribbon lighting. Again, this is put it around, maybe around my work area for mood lighting. And that's it, guys. I think that's everything I had to show you from my Temu. Is there something else in there? No, that was something else in there. Yeah, so it's stuff I'm all going to use. The whole order was 200 and something euro, and you're probably saying, oh, 200 and something euro, but that included the first part of it that came. So one more of these lights came, another set of them came. What else came? There was 3 items came. I can't think what the third item was that came in the first part of the order, because they split it into 2 parts. So that was the first part, and then this was the second part. Second part got lost, so it took a bit longer to come. The first part came within 5 days. Then I had to wait another 15 days for the other part to come. So I don't know what happened or where it ended up, but yeah, it finally arrived. So that's it for this video, guys. No scrapping anything out, no showing you how the progression of the shed is going, because that might be coming in another video at some stage. Maybe when we get the lights up and get the roof on it, stuff like that. We can have a look at that. And then what else was there? There was nothing else really. That was it for this video. So guys, again, not endorsed by Temu, just showing what I bought. And again, I like that kit. Looks good. Looks like everything I need is in there. It'll hopefully do the job for me. And I also already have this other kit that I already bought, which is nice. Nicely packed. Really love this kit. Can't speak highly enough about it, actually. Used it a few times, taken stuff apart. Everything is there you need. Everything is there. You even have your demagnetizers and magnetizers there. So there we go. So I do like it. Very straightforward. Got your screwdriver, got your tweezers, got all your little bits, and I haven't lost one of them yet, which is amazing. And taking a few little things apart, like laptops and a few mobile phones taken apart with that, and perfect. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it dragged on for 20 minutes of a video that was only meant to be an unpacking, but if you stuck it all the way through, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, and I'll let you know in the future how these things turned out.